Hello, this is Annalisa from Faith Dream Create, and welcome back to my channel. You're watching my fall card series for 2023, and this is a bonus video in the card series because I recently picked up this stamp set from Simon Says Stamp, and it got here just a few days ago. I got into my craft room to make this card for you. This stamp set is an exclusive for Stamptember with Simon Says Stamp and art impressions. It will be no longer available in 2 short days, or about that depending on when you are watching this. So if you like this stamp set, it is still available right now, so go over and grab it while you can because it is super cute. So I will talk about this stamp set a little bit more as we go along, but let's get into the card. So for the background, I am using the Hero Arts Bold Prints background stamp, and this is the apple slices. I did pick this stamp set up at Simon Says Stamp last year. It is no longer available on their website, but it is on scrapbook.com in the clearance section, so I will definitely go ahead and link that down below if you want to pick this one up before it might not be a thing anymore. I'm not really sure how that works. Could be over on the Hero Arts website if that's a thing. But it's a super cute stamp set. But if you like this similar look, you could use Simon Says Stamp has some apple layering stencils, and there's some other stencils out there with apple prints and stamps. There's lots of different options when it comes to apple background stamps. So I decided to just stamp this in black and white, and I'm going to add in a layer of red, and I'm going to be creating a slimline card. So I'm just cutting down my red. And I'm using the Tim Holtz paper trimmer, and I'll have all of the supplies that I'm using in today's video linked down below. So I love how this black and white background turns out with the stamped image and the red in the background. It is a really fun. You could definitely go in and color these apples with watercolors or Copic markers or Spectrum Noir markers and add in some more color, but because I know that I'm going to have color on the girl here, I did not want to do that. So I'm stamping her out with some Memento Tuxedo black ink because I'm going to be using my Spectrum Noir markers to color her in. So while I am coloring this in, I'm just going to tell you the sentiments here on the stamp because they are super, super fun. So always look on the bright sider life. Happy birthday to one fine apple. Hope your day is absolutely wonderful instead of absolutely. It's a little bit hard to say that one. You might be a year older, but on the brighter side, you're still a goddess. And I think that's all of the sentiments. And then there's also a cider cup with some apples on the side, and then there's a candle that comes with it that you're going to see me stamp here in a little bit later. You can add the candle into the apple to make those birthday sentiments make more sense. And then of course the basket says fresh apple cider. I have never really been drawn to the art impressions stamps because I feel like they're geared towards more older generation, and I'm kind of not, I'm 37, so I'm not really there yet, and a lot of them don't really resonate with me yet, but this one just really spoke to my heart. I love to decorate for all of the seasons in my home and make it fun for my kids, and the last couple years I have been decorating with an apple theme. So I saw this stamp, so I was like, that's me, and I showed it to a crafty friend, and I was like, I might need to buy this stamp set from Stamptember, the exclusive, because look at the decor I just put up. This is me. So I went ahead and grabbed this one, and I'm so glad it came and that I was able to get a card done for you and give you some inspiration. Maybe you aren't able to get this stamp set, or maybe you did pick it up and you haven't pulled it out yet. I hope that this card can inspire you to pull it out, or maybe you have some other art impression stamp sets or another apple themed card that you would like to create with some fall themed items that you have in your craft room. I hope that this video can inspire you beyond this exclusive stamp set and spark ideas to create a beautiful creation along the way. Have you been following Stamptember, and have you picked up any other sets? I have picked up this set, and I picked up the Lawn Fawn set at the beginning of the month, but all of the other sets have been really neat, but I just feel like I didn't need them. I have similar things, or I feel like I can get it just from the company in itself at another time. But I love the fun of Stamptember, and it's just fun to celebrate card making all month long. And there's still some more surprises along the way as September rolls to an end, which is crazy. How is it almost the end of September? I feel like we just had summer and September just started, and now it's 2 days away till October, but we can dive into fall, and then the Christmas season will be here. So this is my fall card series. If you are coming here for the first time, I try and share card making videos once or twice a week. I am a mom of 4, so life is busy and full, and I don't always get into my craft room right away, but my goal for the next few months with fall and Christmas is to share at least once a week or twice a week and get you that fall motivation, get you that Christmas motivation to inspire you in your seasonal crafting. So I hope that you subscribe if you are not already subscribed, and come back and watch my fall videos, and of course the Christmas videos that will come out right after the fall card series. So the coloring is done. I have cut this out. I fussy cut it out with the Simon Says Stamp fine detail scissors, and I did add some white highlights in there as you saw me doing. Now I'm just gluing everything together and getting this card all put together. So I will take a picture of my fall decor and maybe share it over on the community page when I share this over there if I can, and you can see just how much this girl is kind of like me with my apple decor and the fall festivities. So adding in the image here, and then we will be able to do the sentiments. So I chose 2 sentiments, and you're going to see which ones I choose here in a little bit. I just love how this stamp set stands out on that background. You get the subtleness of the apples, but the colors in the girl really stand out. So I'm picking my sentiment, and I'm going to stamp it on some black paper using my anti-static tool. I recently cleaned off my craft desk and was able to find that. So with the anti-static tool, your powder, your embossing powder, only sticks to the ink that was put on there, and I'm using the Simon Says Stamp clear embossing ink, and then I'm going to heat set that, and I was using the Simon Says Stamp white embossing powder. And then I will cut this sentiment out and add it to the top, and then I'm going to add one more sentiment in. This is the sentiment, hope your day is absolutely, how do you even say that? Absolutely wonderful. Absolutely. So that is going to go there. Then we're going to grab one more sentiment and figure that out. Get a bigger piece of black paper to stamp this out. And get the sentiment done. So stamping that out once more, and then I'll add that embossing powder in and heat set that, cut it out, get it adhered down, and add one more finishing touch to this card. Now, just want to remind you that this is an exclusive set, and it will not be available after the 30th of September. So if you like it, go on over there right now. There will be a link down below in my description box to get you there quickly. And we want to be kind on Stamptember. We do not want to be mean. So kind words only. The idea behind Stamptember is to inspire, to bring companies together to make the crafting community more together, and to inspire, and to highlight different companies. So Simon Says Stamp brings in all of these different companies. They create a special set to showcase those companies. So even after these stamp sets are gone, you can still go check out Art Impressions, Alon Fun, all of the other sets, and see all of their amazing stamps and support these companies beyond Stamptember. And they have a lot of similar cute items and florals and all of the things. And yeah, that is the idea behind Stamptember. And we want to show kindness in the crafting community and inspire and have fun and celebrate this amazing community of stamps and papers and dies and stencils and just have fun. And I love that Simon Says Stamp creates this fun. They create these celebrations to bring us really, really fun crafting goodies. So as you can see, I'm adding some sequins in from my stash. It's just some simple red sequins, and I'm putting 3 on each side of the sentiment areas. And then I'm going to bring out my Barely Art glue again to glue these down. And then that will finish up the card, and it's really neat with the sequins at the end sparkling a little bit. You could definitely go in and add some more glitter or color to this card as well, but I thought about that, but I liked the simplicity of the background with the subtle sparkle and shine and bling of the sequins in the end. Brought in some more fun color, but still kept it very, very simple. So those sequins are adhered, and this is the finished card. I will show you up close. And that is all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join me here as I share cards to inspire you, and I will have my fall card series continuing here and Christmas card series coming shortly after. So I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.